Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be talking about what are the subtle differences between MSc in computer science or M engineering in software systems from Canada. So I got a lot of questions asking me that since you pursued masters in computer science and you have met different students at your university, so you would be better understanding the differences between MSc in computer science and MSc in software systems from Canada. So today we'll be throwing more light on these two topics and we'll try to understand what is the difference and what are the pros and cons of pursuing both of these degrees from Canada. Okay, so now without any further ado, let's see what are the differences between MSc in computer science and M engineering in software systems. So the first thing is it is also about degree type. So MSc in computer science is a research oriented program that typically focuses on theoretical and practical aspects of computer science. It often involves conducting independent research and writing thesis. So when I did my masters at that time I had the option of applying for MSc course based, MSc project based and MSc thesis based. MSc course based was a course work curriculum with 10 courses and 30 credit units. So one non-credit CS seminar presentation was also involved in that. So this is the one which I took. I did course based MSc masters, and another option was, but nowadays this course based has been stopped at University of Regina. So there is MSc in computer science, but it will be in a specified stream. So there are two streams in which you can do course based work in MSc. So the first stream is data science stream, and the second stream is human centered computing stream. Then there was MSc project based, which was minimum 7 courses and one project research or thesis research, which had 9 credit units. So again, total 30 credit units for MSc project based also, in which you have to develop a project and the end of your at the end of your semesters. So once you are done with all your courses, you have to develop a big project. And then there was MSc thesis based. So this thesis based, it took time because you have to take 15 credits of coursework, which basically means each subject has, or each course has, 3 credit units. So basically that means that you have to take 5 courses, and after that you have to go on with your research work, which is basically a thesis, and you have to submit your thesis and you have to get your thesis approved by your professor or by your supervisor. So MSc is more of a research oriented thing, and in my curriculum for most of the subjects we did a lot of research paper reading and a lot of literature reviews for those research papers. So we also developed projects and presentation which were part of our course curriculum. So that is one thing that you have to do during MSc. However, if I talk about M engineering in software systems, it is more focused on practical and applied aspects of software engineering. So it does not involve thesis. It may require a project or a capstone course. And one more thing, it also involves a co-op term. So co-op is a compulsory part of M engineering when you are doing M engineering in software systems. So I had some friends who were pursuing this, and they had to go for 1 or 2 terms of co-op, which was part of the program, and they got credit units for that particular co-op term which they did with one of the companies. So co-op is something which could be said as an internship, as a paid internship in which you get paid, and there are different companies which for which you can interview. So that is a different topic if I talk about co-op and I talk about differences between internship. So that is one thing that was also the part of M engineering. Then there are other subtle differences as well between MSc and M engineering. And then there was about duration of the course. So if I talk about the duration of the course, MSc was basically for 15 subjects. So basically it was your sorry, so in MSc there were 10 subjects, that means 3 credit units per subject, and I had to complete total 30 credit units in a course based ones. So in a semester you they recommend you to take 2 subjects at a time and not more than that. So there could be a duration difference as well at times. When you're pursuing MSc, it could take more time compared to M engineering. The reason being, if your MSc is more of thesis oriented, or you are pursuing something that is more research based, so your thesis have to be approved by your supervisor, and if it is not approved you need to resubmit your thesis. for the approval, and then it could get published, and then you have to at times write a research paper and get it published as part of your masters. So there's a difference between a duration thing between both the degrees, MSc and engineering. So the next thing is research versus industry focus. So as I already told you guys that MSc is more of research oriented. It is more based on your thesis work, and you have to do a lot of research. And when you are pursuing your engineering, at that time you have to focus more on the project and pursuing and understanding different kinds of technologies and tools in order to implement those projects. So this is more industry oriented and industry driven compared to your masters in computer science, MSc. The next difference could be your admission requirements. So, in case of MSc, I feel that the number of seats in case of MSc is quite low. So, there could be a possibility that there are stricter admission requirements, including a strong academic background and research experience that is needed in MSc program. Whereas in case of engineering, they may be more accessible and suitable for students with broader range of academic background. So that is one of the difference which I felt, but there could be a possibility depending on the university that the number of seats in both of these master's program is less. Uh, then the other difference that we can look into is basically about career outcomes. So if we talk about career outcomes, then MSc graduates, they are more often well prepared for careers in research and academics, and they are more better in showing their thesis based and their findings on the research that they have done during their duration in MSc. And however, they are more oriented towards going towards research. But if we talk about engineering, it is more inclined towards your industry. So they will be learning more about the projects and industry oriented things. So this is more about industry. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and this was a brief introduction about both the degrees, MSc in Computer Science and M Engineering in Software Systems from different universities in Canada. So before applying to any of the program, I would suggest that you go through the different descriptions that are given and the program structure as well as admission requirement for both of these degrees. Try to understand that from various universities' websites, and if you have any questions, you can also drop emails to the universities, and I have seen that the universities in Canada, they generally reply. They will take some time, but you will definitely get reply to your queries. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries relating to MSc in computer science, you can drop a message in the below comment section. I'll try to answer as many queries as possible. Thank you. Bye bye.